everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 486 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out these LA Colors Liquid Eyeshadows that I picked up from my Dollar Tree recently. These say that they are new products and my Dollar Tree had a bunch of different colors of these, but I narrowed it down to this pink one which is called Wink, and this bronze one called Cheers. And I love liquid eyeshadows, but I also really love trying out $1 liquid eyeshadows because some liquid eyeshadows can get so expensive, but I've been able to find some pretty good, very inexpensive liquid eyeshadows so far on this Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So if you want to see some of my recommendations, I will link those videos down below. But I am so excited about these. I love LA Colors, so let's hope that I like this product. LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand, and since I found these at the Dollar Tree, they were only $1 each. So these are good size products for $1. So this says, beautiful metallic liquid eyeshadow that will not crease or transfer once dry. So that sounds like exactly what I'm looking for. I love metallic makeup. So let's see how this applicator looks. It's a doe foot applicator, that's great. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch each of these. Ooh, I feel like it goes on like paint. And it kind of has a strong paint scent to it as well. Oh, this is like one of the most beautiful shades of pink in my eyes. Oh, wow. Oh, I love how both of these look. The pink is really bright, the bronze is really pretty, and they both seem to have really good pigment. They're not very sheer. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna start out with this bronze shade called Cheers. And let's see. I'm gonna focus this on the outer half of my eyelid. So let's see, it says to apply a thin layer and then blend it. So instead of just painting it all over where I want it to go, I'm just going to apply a little bit and then I'm gonna take, and then let's see if I can blend it out a bit with my finger. Oh wow. Yeah, so if I blend it out with my finger, it becomes just like a sheer tint of color, but it does still leave a lot of sparkle. See if I go in with a little bit more and then blend it out, how that looks. Because right now it barely looks like much. Oh yeah, that definitely works. But you kind of have to work quickly because I can feel it drying down and getting sticky, which makes it a little bit harder to blend. But it is buildable if you want to do layers and blend it out for more of a subtle sheer look. But I want full color and full pigment, so I'm just going to paint this onto the eyelid. Can you believe that it's already June? I really cannot believe it. I feel like May didn't even happen. It was that fast. And this means that I go to Ireland next month. I don't know if I mentioned that on my channel yet, but I'm going to Ireland in July, which I am so excited about. My friend and I are going on like a week-long trip and we booked it through AAA, so it has like all of the excursions and all of the hotels and buses all figured out for us, which is ideal because I would have no idea what to do. So let's see if these dried down. Yes, so they are completely dried down, not smudging or fading at all, no transfer, so it's doing what it said it would. Now, I want to take this pink shade and apply it to the other half of my eyelid. And I love how easy to work with these doe foot applicators are. But yeah, so I've never been to Ireland before, And believe it or not, I'm not even Irish, even though I look like it with my fair skin, light hair, green eyes. But my friend that I'm going with is half Irish, so she's always wanted to go to Ireland, and I'm just up to travel wherever, whenever. So I'm just going in with a second layer of the pink because I want this to be full color, and oh my gosh, it is so buildable and it looks so beautiful and bright now. Oh, it's just such like a true pink. It's so true to how it looks in the tube here, which I am so happy about. Like, how fun is this look? I mean, it's pretty like harsh lines, so I would like to go in and do a crease shade and blend it a little bit more, but just to test out how this product looks on the eye, I am so impressed. And then for the fun of it, I'm going to take some of this pink shade onto the lower lash line. And I feel like I could leave it just like this, but I want to try taking a brush and just blending it out. And I think that works really well too. Oh, I love how that looks on the lower lash line, because then you get that metallic. Oh, that's so pretty. I moved my eyelid too much so that there is some creasing, but I didn't use an eyeshadow primer, so that could help with that. But if I just kept my eye closed, I wouldn't have the creasing. So just something to keep in mind to make it look smoother on the eyelid. Let it dry before you move your eye. But seriously, I am so impressed by this. The pigment is great. It's so easy to apply. It seems like such a great quality product, but it's only $1. So this really lived up to my hopes and my expectations. I'm so happy I picked this up in both of these shades. Both of these shades are so pretty and shades that I'm really excited to incorporate with other makeup looks. Like, these are perfect for doing cut crease looks, halo eye effects. So there are lots of great uses for these. So I highly recommend these. These are products that I want to have in all of the colors. So if they are still available at my Dollar Tree next time I'm there, I'm definitely going to try and pick those up. And let me know in the comments down below if you've tried these and what colors you've tried and which colors are your favorites. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.